And welcome back to Weeby Kids. In today's session, we are going to be looking at how to make some beautiful macrame bracelets using natural finds. So this is like a shell that I've picked up off a beach that has a natural hole that allows us to attach onto it in a really, really simple way. Now these natural finds can vary, of course. I have quite a wide variety of finds. They range from stones, which have naturally been eroded and to have holes all the way through them. I consider these my lucky finds when I find those. And to pieces of rusted metalwork that I've picked up. If you're going to use something like that, you may want to consider using some clear nail varnish to paint over, just to ensure that the rust doesn't irritate on the wrist. And also just sometimes even discs of wood, which here you can see I have drilled some holes into, and as I have done with the conker there too. But otherwise, if you are beachcombing and having a good look around, you are likely to find lots of wonderful things that you can use. And just to show you how much things can vary if you want them to, here's one I did with embroidery thread and a ring pulley on for can, and yeah. So your outcomes can vary quite dramatically, although they do look beautiful, and this demonstration is using natural cotton string. And remember, be kind, help each other out. It may take a little while to figure out the technique, but once you've got that, trust me, it's really not that hard. So have lots of fun, enjoy doing this, and show us all those wonderful outcomes at the end. I hope you found the little tutorial informative and that you are going to give this a shot. Don't beat yourself up if you don't get it first time round. It does take a little bit of time. Key, if I would say, is learning to go on the left side and then on the right side and then on the left side and then on the right side. So find a way of working that out and you'll be well away. It's a lovely technique. It's a really simple entry-level way of learning about it, and there will be more to come. So look out in this space if you enjoyed making this wonderful macrame bracelet. Take care. Bye from Weeby Kids.